Okay, I'm going to now bring you some more scientific facts concerning the Kenneka Jenkins case. And this comes right out of her autopsy. They did a toxicology, and she had a 1.112 alcohol rate. Now, I'm going to show you something. You see that? It's actually, this is what the doctors use. Right here. The mean blood alcohol concentration was 0.06 and ranged as high as 0.16 in cases having atypical ratios. Now, what is this? Let me show you. Well, can't show you. But alcohol was found in blood and bile, while urine and vitreous fluid were negative and had lower concentration in cases with endogenous production. Do you realize what this is? This one actually came from the government. Okay? Now, topiramate toxicity. Again, another one used by the doctors. She had 3,000. Okay? Now, I want you to read this. A 44-year-old Caucasian female was found dead in bed. Qualitative screening detected ethanol, phenobarbital, and trimethoprimazine. However, none were sufficient to attribute to the cause of death. Additionally, high concentrations of topiramate, an epileptic agent, were found. Analysis of available biological fluids and tissues was carried out with the following results. Blood, central, 170 milligrams. She had 3,000. Now, there's something else I'm going to talk to you about, and it's this. I kept telling you that there were more rooms than just the two. There was Irene's room, okay, 926, and then there was Ty's room. Now, in Irene's video, we know there was cannabis smoked in the room. She's smoking it while she's videotaping herself. Now, we also know that there was weed smoked in Ty's party, because when he got up to leave, he says, "Let me grab my keys and my weed." So we know there was weed smoking going on there. Now, when you go back and you look at her toxicology report, the one thing that doesn't show up in her system is weed. And as anybody knows, has been at a few parties, I don't care whether you used it or not, you got a contact high. And it would have been a way lesser percentage than somebody who smoked the joint, but she would still have it in her system. It's called a contact high. So, what's not in that report is cannabis. Weed. So she was not at Irene's party. She was not at Ty's party. She was in one of those other 10 rooms in that hotel that they rented. Now, I'm not talking about Irene or Ty either. The group that did this, the one that actually planned this whole thing out, she's one of my stalkers. That's how I know all this stuff. There were 12 rooms rented. 4 on the 8th, 4 on the 9th, and 4 on the 10th. 12 rooms total. People, it's time to wake up.